Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Clarence again with the Fix It Yourself channel. Today's video is on fixing or replacing your privacy fence. Big section of it blew out a long time ago, and I've just been dragging my feet about putting it back up. So finally got around to it. But anyway, I bought the stud posts. They're 8 feet tall, treated posts. And I bought cement. I got screw nails. I bought the planks, and I bought the parallel 2x4 by 8 foot long. That's the planks are bolted to. The 8 foot long 4x4 studs, treated studs. They go 2 feet in the ground. And then I put about 10 to 12 pounds of dry cement, concrete cement in there, and I pour about 1.5 gallons, 2 gallons of water, and I let them set for 24 hours before I go back up and out and start working on it. And I ran 2 strings. I ran the top string from one location to the other, about 200 feet long, and then I ran one at the bottom so that the posts are online and that the panels or the planks are online. And then I dug the posts, the 4x4 by 8. I dug those at about 2 foot down, cemented them, let it set, and once the cement is set for 24 hours, then I fill the rest of it in with dirt up top. And then now I'm ready to bolt up the parallel running 2x4 by 8 that runs crossway, and that's what the planks bolt onto. Project took about 2 or 3 weeks. Wasn't no hurry. Worked on it when I got off work in the afternoon, and I pretty much got it done. Other than that, I can't really think of anything else other than the materials. It was actually pretty easy to do. If you're not sure how to do it, get somebody to help you that knows what they're doing. If you haven't done something like this before and you have no clue, I recommend you get some help or get somebody that advise you. Hell, even look on YouTube. Let's see what else. It's actually pretty easier than you think. The posts are spaced exactly 8 feet apart, and I dug them out, put them all in, put them in cement, let them set for 24 hours. Pretty much. Here we go. That's pretty much it. And you put the parallel planks up, or the parallel 2x4 by 8s up. All of them are screwed. Those are 3-inch screws that I use for those, and then the 2-inch screws I use for the planks that bolted vertical. And it's time consuming. Not that I ain't gonna say not that expensive, but it was a little bit on the expensive side. But it was even more expensive to have somebody else come in and do it for you. But if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Let me know what I can do better. I kind of got away or added to the automotive video, and I do a little bit of everything around the house now. Subscribe to the channel. And get ready for the next video coming. Thanks for watching. I'm Clarence. Peace.
The rest of it right now. This is it. Whew, shit. I think we'll try this one. There's some work to do down here. Still got a little bit of work in that corner to do, but right now I'm done. Yep. Tighten up on that corner just a little bit.